Hello everybody, how are you? I am Noresh and your teacher here and will be teaching you a different question and their answers. So I welcome you on classdata.com where we'll be discussing question. So let's get on the question. So our today question is 20. A summary of the materials questions completed during a period serves as the basis of transferring the cost of materials from controlling account in the general's ledgers to the controlling account for option A work in the process and cost of goods sold, option B work in process and factory overhead, option C finished goods and cost of goods sold, option D work in process finished goods. The correct answer of the question is option B work in process and factory overheads. So that's the answer of the question. If you are searching any other question, please visit www.classdata.com and find on the search section. If you have any question to ask, there are sessions on the right side of the website. Fill the form and will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe our channel. Until next question, bye bye.